Hey YouTube, my name is Kathryn.celeste and I'm a bikini model here in Miami, Florida. Today I'm going to be showing you some of my favorite floor workouts. Come and do it with me. So the very first thing we're going to start is we're going to do some kickbacks. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to lay on your hands and you're going to be on your knees. You can stand on your elbows if it makes you feel more comfortable, and you're simply going to kick your legs out and you're going to hold that for 5, pulse for 5, and bring that right back in. And we're gonna do that for 45 seconds. Let's get started. So bring your leg out, pulse 2, 3, 4, 5, bring it back in. Pulse 2, 3, 4, 5, and in. Pulse 2, 3, 4, 5, and in. You got it, pulse. Keep pushing. Remember to squeeze your core and really breathe, okay? I know you guys feel the burn because I'm starting to feel it myself. And in, 10 seconds. And in. And in 1 second. Good job. How do you guys feel? Okay, we're gonna do this on the other leg. So pulse 2, 3, 4, 5, and in. In, and in, and in, and in. Five seconds. And in. Awesome job. Take a little breather if you need to. Now we're going to do the next exercise. I like to call this the dog peeing because it looks like a dog is peeing. So what you're going to do is you're going to have your elbows on the mat. You're going to place your leg up. You can twist if it feels more comfortable for you, and then pull back down. Make sure you're really squeezing the glutes. Make sure your foot is flexed, and you want to bring your legs slightly in when you're doing this, okay? So we're gonna do this for 45 seconds and let's get started. Make sure you're really pushing it in, flexing that foot, squeezing your core. 30 seconds. You're really going to start feeling the tension on your left glute. I'm doing this on the right side right now. Ten seconds. All right, now let's go ahead and do that on the other side. Keep breathing. 20 more seconds, you got this. Five, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Awesome. Take a nice little stretch down just to make sure that you're breathing. Get some water if you need to. And let's go on to our next exercise. We will be doing the windshield wipers. So basically all that is, get back down on your elbows. What you're going to do is you're really going to cross over your leg and put it back up. Cross and back up. Okay? So let's start the timer for 45 seconds. And you got this. Let's go. Down and up, down and up. Keep it going. 20 seconds. 10 seconds. 2 and 1. Push it down, and let's do that on the other side. And down and up, up. Fifteen seconds. 3, 2, and 1. Awesome job, you guys. Okay, so for the next one, we are going to do the dog pee again, okay? You gotta keep breathing. We're really gonna focus on conditioning and strengthening our muscles. Take a little breather if you need to. 45 seconds, and let's start. This is when it gets hard, guys. You just keep pushing, and you got this. Five seconds. 3, 2, and 1. Now let's bring it to the other side, okay, guys? All right. Keep pushing. I think my timer came off. There it goes. Okay. All right. So for our next exercise, we're going to do the kickbacks one more time. And we're going to do those again for 45 seconds. So let's start on your right leg. Except this time, we're gonna go ahead and just hold, pulse 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then back in. Okay, so let's start. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and in. Hold, 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 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and hold, hold, in, and 1, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, hold, hold, in, and 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 10, and hold, hold, in 10 seconds, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 10, and hold, hold, in, and other side. Okay, so 45 seconds on that one. Ready? 1, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, and hold, hold, in, and 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 10, and hold, hold, in, and 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 10, and hold, hold, in, and 1, 3, breathe, 5, 7, 9, 10, and hold, hold, in, and 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 10. Hold in, and last one. 3, 5, 7, 9, 10, and hold in. Take a nice big deep breath in. Take a nice big deep breath out, and you are done. How are you guys feeling today? I hope you guys like this video. I hope you're sweating just like I am. I hope to see you guys next time. Make sure you leave a like, better comment, and subscribe. Have a good day, guys. See you next time.